Should we change our entire civilization to address an unproven theory, global warming, which states that mankind's greenhouse emissions are causing catastrophic runaway greenhouse gases to destroy the planet? I say no, and that the planet is fine, don't worry about it, the system seems to be self-correcting, and CO2 is good for life on Earth and actually a small percentage of our atmosphere's makeup. Let's talk. You know, the planet is not significantly heating up, right? I mean, how is 8 degrees Celsius even an issue? That is the amount the planet is said to heat up by 2100. I mean, 8 is probably far less than a fair rounding error for global temperature reading equipment of the last 100 years, and CO2 is not a bad thing. In fact, when we look at other worlds to live on, CO2 and methane, both greenhouse gases, are two of the things we look for clues. If humans aren't the cause, or may not be the cause, and if the planet isn't really significantly warming 0.8 degrees in 100 years, and if a little warming is actually good for life on Earth, what exactly is the problem? More importantly, why should I or anyone else worry about it? Sure, study it, but making it a priority for our entire way of life, I think not. Now then, if we want to reduce pollution, so we have clean air to breathe, fine, that makes sense, but don't take it up with me, take it up with the Chinese in Shanghai and Beijing, and please don't tell me that Obama did that with his BS deal recently, November 2014, US-China climate deal. If we do have increased temps, that is good for biodiversity, and it's not a matter of finding more evidence, because we already know that the biodiversity springs to life when the temperatures warm up in the summertime. That's proof, and it happens every year since the last ice age. Species begin to fill the food chain niches, which open up. A hotter climate is said to increase hurricanes. I disagree, because if the trade winds blow harder also, they will block the hurricane's formation. But even if it were true that we will get greater hurricanes, please realize that hurricane intensity storm energy will deliver more water inland. Thus more water, that's a net positive for interior us persistent droughts, most of which are from overuse, not much change in the farmer's almanac. The major tornadoes, etc. Well, I think we can blame that on growing urban heat islands, not CO2 output by humans. Sincerely, Lance.